What's going on, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts, and I'm going to show you how you can get paid to download apps and not get paid, but you can get paid a really good amount from doing this now. Because a lot of apps, when they say download, you may just like a penny or two, but this one you're going to get paid like 23 cents each. So first, you see my account, I have $5.13, and you see here current tasks. This is where I'm going to get paid now, 23 cents each. So all of these that I can download, you see here the ones that are 30 cents. You can actually download those too, but they will want you to do a review on the app. So I mean, it's up to you how you want to do it. I try to do all of these, but basically when you're doing the review ones, you download it, and they're going to ask you like to write a description or what you think about the app, and then you send it to this app, and then it'll take like a few days to review it or whatever. But these are the ones where there's no review needed. All you gotta do is download the app, and I'm gonna show you how to do that, and you get paid 23 cents. Now pay attention, because I said I got $5.13 in there, so this is gonna go up when I download these apps. Now you see here 40 left, 56 left, 35 left, 115 left. That's how many downloads are currently available. So when the amount is low, I try to do those first. So right here, this hotspot VN, and click on this, and that test is actually ended. And click on this Instagram right here. So right here, what you do is how to download. You go to your app store and you find basically this icon, right? And it'll be, according to them, the number 7th one. So the number 7 one. So basically what I'm gonna do is type in likes for Instagram and look for that icon. All right, so let me go do that real quick. Go to my app store, and right here, type in likes for Instagram. Right there. And just basically look for that same icon. And then sometimes I forget what the icon is, so I gotta go back and look. So it has like an F in it. Did I already pass it? Yeah, I did right there. So that's the icon. So if you can see it right there. I'm gonna click get, and it's gonna download, install, and then you just basically wait for it to finish downloading. So that's downloaded right there. Now the thing is, you do not open it through the app store. Do not open it through the app store. That's very important, because if you do, you won't get paid. So what you want to do is you want to go back to the actual app right here, and you go to step 2, because step 1 was downloading it. Step 2 is now open the app and use it for 3 minutes. All right, so and you say you should allow the data request. You really don't have to, but you just open that right here, and you have to basically leave it open for 3 minutes. And then once that 3 minutes is up, you can actually get paid. So a quick way to tell is you can go to step 3, go to complete the task, get my money, and it will tell you to wait 3 minutes still. See right there, insufficient time. So you gotta wait for the timer to go down. So I'm gonna wait for that, and then I'm gonna come back. All right, so now it should be close to 3 minutes. So I'm gonna go back to the app. Now I'm gonna click step 3, get money. And you see right there, 23 cents in my account. So I'm gonna just click do task. And now my balance went up to $5.36. So now you see that they're kind of going down. Let me see if I can still do this one, coin. Yeah, I can do this one. So I'm gonna do this one as well. Same process. You just type in the keyword coin and look for this icon. Like I said, they're gonna be probably the 5th result on there. So let me go back. And the thing is, if you don't want these apps, you can always just go back and delete them. Just make sure you get credited for it before you go do that. So just give you an example of another one real quick. Just type in coin, and I gotta double check the icon. All right, so let me go find that real quick. Right there, click get, install it. I mean, same process is easy. You just gotta download the app, use it for 3 minutes, you're gonna get credited. Very simple. I'm just gonna show you like 2 examples in doing it. But the thing is like you saw when I first started this video, I had 4 options, but that one test that I first started on, the test ended, meaning basically people downloaded it. So like once you get into it like this, you know what I'm saying, you'll be good. Just make sure you open it through the app. And now I gotta leave it open for 3 minutes again. So like I said, you don't have to allow it to track. I always click not to track, so don't allow, because you don't know kind of what information they're giving you. So again, just let it sit for 3 minutes and then come back. Alright, so the 3 minutes is up now. So going back to the app again, go down to step 3, which is my favorite step, get money. Again, 23 cents, just like that. So you see there, now this last one I have, now you see again my balance went up $5.59, so I got one more to do. Let me see if this task is ended. Alright, it hasn't. So again, just give you the third example real quick. Just go back to the app store, click in proxy. So you see how easy this is. I mean, this isn't hard to do at all. And when I get done with this, and I'm gonna show you my the cash outs that I've gotten so far from this app, because I've cashed out a few times from them. But let me just download this one real quick. Let me see what the icon is. Alright, it's the second result. So should be right there. Right there. Click get. Install. Let it download real quick. And then remember, when it's done downloading, always go back to the app and open it. Don't open it through the app store, because you won't get credited that way. They want to make sure you do the steps correctly. So go here, open app, and just let it be open for 3 minutes, and then again come back, which is what I'm about to do, and collect your money. Alright, so it's been 3 minutes now. So again, going to step 3, get money, and just like that, 23 cents. So now you see I have $5.82. I could do these with a review, but those take a little longer. So now I'm just going to show you what I've gotten so far from this app. If I click withdraw, I've gotten $25 in my withdrawal history. Let me see if I can click on it. I don't know why I'm not. There we go. Let me see. There we go. You see here all these PayPal payments that I've gotten from them. Now it's only been $25, but it said like I haven't really. It's not one of those apps you're gonna get rich like every single day, but it's one of those pretty much every month you should at least cash out, depending on how many apps you get and how many referrals you get, and all that kind of stuff depends on that. But I've gotten $25 from it. It's not bad. It's just an app that you get paid for downloading apps, and 23 cents here, 23 cents there, it'll eventually add up, and you can get a quick cash out from it. So like I said, not a get rich quick app, but you definitely want to put it in your routine. Just go back and check on it daily, a couple times a day. Just keep it on your phone. It only works with iPhone, so if you have an Android, it won't work. But I really encourage you guys to download it. I'll put the link in the description. Use the link to sign up and downloading the app, because it's not really like in the app store. You have to go through somebody's actual link. If you just try to search for iMoney in the app store, you will not find it. Trust me. So just use the link and follow the steps from the link, and you will actually get to download this app. So just make sure you do that correctly, and just start downloading these apps. You see here, I've gotten paid from it. $25. I can actually cash out now another $5. It takes about 2-3 days to get to you. So it's a legit app. I've been using it for a few months now, so I highly encourage you guys to do the same. Like I said, click on the link, get started today, and always remember, every penny counts.